Okay, welcome to Think It, Say It, Make It. Today we're going to be making some door cards for a VW T2 camper that I bought. Just been working on it. So basically what I've done is I've removed the card from the van. Alright, you didn't want to see that because that's boring. A few screws, very simple. And now I wanted a template, because as you can see this is absolutely knackered, right? There's nothing I can do with this. It's bowed, it's twisted. But I'm doing a wooden theme inside, so it would be good if I did the same on the door cards and get rid of this old plastic stuff that I don't really like. So yeah, template the holes onto the new board. So I've cut out the big bit, obviously that's the easy bit, just draw around the edge and then make sure that you've got all of your cutouts exactly the same, because when you put it in the van it's just not going to work. The depth of it, I've got as thin as I could. What is this? Probably like 4mm ply. So yeah, I'm gonna cut into that and make the actual door panel. So I drilled a few holes just so I can get my jigsaw in, and carefully went round the design and cutting out to copy the other door card really. And there we go. Simple as that. So that's me new door card. And that's my old door card. And that lays straight on top of there. I'll just check that I've got everything, make sure it's wide enough. Yep. Here. So yeah, what was that really? I finished it all off by hand, just so I can get in there and make it all neat and tidy. And then I used a little angle grinder with a pad on it, just to make the edges a little bit more smooth from that jigsaw. There you go, one wooden door card, but it's not going to end there. So what I'm going to do is I like a bit of laser engraving. Probably a nice design down there. Something to say up here. This is pretty simple. Might not be as good as a carpenter could do it. But yeah, I'm going to just try and dress it up, make it as best I can. Because usually I'm doing tattoos for a living. But this is just a little hobby for me. Okay, so what I've done is I have cut out little bits of 3mm basswood. Got it from Amazon, and I've done it on my X-Tool D1. So I've cut out all little fancy shapes, and I've basically generally laid out, as you can see, a basic idea of how I want it to look. Now, I like to use this activator stuff wherever I'm going to stick, and super glue, and I stuck each piece on, applying the activator to the wood and then to the pieces, just a little bit of super glue really, just to stick it to the wood, and then I used a little bit of stain. Right, I'm using Liberon palette wood dye, antique pine. That's what these are already stained in. I'm going to apply it with a brush and rub it off with an old rag, and we should get closer to what it's going to actually look like. Exciting stuff, right? Let's see. And then it really starts to come together with the stain going on, making it all a uniform colour. Nice little buff off with a rag. Okay, and here's the reveal. Check that out. And if you want to see more like that, like, share, subscribe. See you on the next one.